Hi there, students. To edulcorate, to make sweeter, to sweeten. So the easiest way to edulcorate something is to add sugar. So he edulcorated his coffee by adding a sachet of sugar. Easy. You could use artificial things to edulcorate your coffee as well. For example, saccharin. Saccharin is a very common edulcorant, a way to edulcorate things without calories. Or there is this new one, stevia, from a South American plant, which is also very sweet. So to edulcorate, to make sweeter. But this, we can also use it to mean to make something more acceptable, more palatable. So I edulcorated the offer by offering him a bottle of champagne to go with it, to make something less rough, less unpleasant, to edulcorate what was a difficult situation. I started to put music on the radio. Okay, so to edulcorate, to make sweeter, to make something less unpleasant, something, make it less bitter, for example. He edulcorated the tense meeting by telling jokes. I understand the team's disappointment, but maybe I can edulcorate that a bit by giving you all the day off tomorrow. She used sugar to edulcorate the bitter medicine. Just a spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down, the medicine go down. So to edulcorate, to make something more palatable, more acceptable. The cold weather was edulcorated by the fact that at least it was sunny. Now, they also use this word edulcorate in chemistry, meaning to wash something, but you're washing away soluble impurities, things that will dissolve. And so you're washing away things that dissolve, and that is also to edulcorate. But to edulcorate, the traditional song was edulcorated with various unwarranted accompaniments. Fruit, for example, I think is at its tastiest on its own, and there's no need to try to edulcorate it with whipped cream or other things. Fruit is just the tastiest on its own, without any other bits added to it. Okay, so it's its tastiest. You do to edulcorate, to make it more interesting. Okay, so to make food sweeter, to free from harshness. Please, could you edulcorate your language, because you will really upset these people if you start swearing and using all your swear words. So just edulcorate your language, modify it, and bring it down to make it a little bit sweeter. Yeah. Okay, so to edulcorate. This is quite an unusual word. I think I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality, so use it in something semi-formal writing or a formal writing. Edulcorate. Bye for now.